Well, it is Saturday, and I am in the office getting things ready for clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. We have a busy week planned in both states, and so I'm getting some work done on a rare Saturday afternoon where I don't have to take my son to an ice hockey game. So taking advantage of that, certainly, and wanted to give my weekend advice. We did not come out with weekend advice yesterday. I was extremely busy in court, but we did come out with our weekly e-update, which went out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It's a great issue. All of our latest blog articles are available in the e-update, and you can sign up for it at gambonelaw.com as always, and it's terrific articles there this week. With that said, it is the weekend. If you are traveling in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, please do not drink and drive. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case either in Pennsylvania or New Jersey. If you are traveling in each of those states, understand that warrantless searches are illegal in Pennsylvania. They're legal in New Jersey, but in either situation, if the officer wants to search the car, do not get in his or her way. Simply make it clear that you're not giving consent to search the car. Don't make it more difficult by arguing with the officer or engaging in some type of debate with the officer about your constitutional rights. Again, this will never help your case, and it could lead to additional charges like resisting arrest or some type of aggravated assault charge. I've seen those where people are not smart and put their hands on the police officer. You should never do that. Again, if you are traveling, remember that Pennsylvania and New Jersey have very different laws regarding guns and firearms. New Jersey, it's virtually impossible to get a permit to carry, and your Pennsylvania gun does not belong in New Jersey. If you are stopped and found with a gun in New Jersey and you don't have a permit to carry, there's a possible and a mandatory 42-month state prison sentence that you're looking at. Now, there are things that our law firm can do to hopefully alleviate that, but don't put yourself in that situation. Don't take your Pennsylvania gun or any gun into New Jersey if you don't have a permit to carry. Finally, with regards to illegal drugs and narcotics, it goes back to a search and seizure issue. If you are stopped traveling and the officer says he or she smells marijuana or something to that effect, and they ask you if anything's in the car, you're not obligated to give any information to the officer other than your license and registration. If they tell you that if you just let me search the car, give me consent, I'll go easy on you. Respectfully to the officer, they don't have that kind of authority, and they can't simply just let you go if they find contraband in the car. They are obligated to arrest you. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm going to link in the links to the weekly e-update, as well as my latest blog articles, as well as a link to our downloadable no-cost strategy books. All those books are available on gambonelaw.com. They're available to you at no cost, and I can assure you that all those books will put you in a better situation than you are currently in if you or your friend is facing a criminal charge in Pennsylvania or New Jersey. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great weekend. Please don't drink and drive, and I'll talk to you all very soon.